Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to add tasks and reminder in Google Calendar. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to add tasks and reminder in your Google Calendar. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to open your web browser and obviously you need to sign in your Gmail account. Already I have signed in my Gmail account and I'm going to click this all apps section and then I'm going to open the calendars application. Now this is the calendar and we can see there is a bunch of reminder or tasks already added in my Google Calendar. For example, I would like to add a task in 28 December. So I'm going to click this 28 December and then you're going to see a pop-up appear. Do you like to, you can give a title or time. Here you can see there's a three options. You can choose event, task or reminder. So we're going to choose a task and then we're going to add a title. So we're going to type here upload picture in Facebook, and then we're going to give some description. I need to upload my birthday picture etc. Anyway, and then you can choose the time, add a time. You can choose this time to that time, give a notification, or you can choose all day, or you can choose here does not repeat, or daily or weekly on Wednesday, or annually on December 28. And then you can choose here, for example, if I choose here all day and then if I click here done, that's in 28 December. We'll see there is a task and it's giving me the blue color because I choose all day. So it's going to be all day a reminder, and then it's going to be appear in my Google Calendar. If you've done the task, you can choose this. For example, let me go back. This is the task. If you decide you had done this task, you can open this task and you can choose here a mark completed. So when you click mark completed, that blue color is going to be gone. It's going to be appear check mark. Also the writing or title is going to be like this line. If you decide to add a reminder in your Google Calendar, you can do that too. For example, I would like to add a reminder in 30 December. So we're going to open 30 December. Let me go back. You need to just click here and then we will see it's a pop-up going to be appear. Now we're going to choose in this time reminder and we're going to type here a title, email to Johnny. And then we're going to give this does not repeat, and we would like to make it all day. If you decide all day you can do, or if you decide to not to all day, you can choose here some daily, we can or repeat this reminder, you can do that, but I'm going to choose here all day and I'm going to click here done. Now we'll see this is in 30 December. There is an email to Johnny and that's the color. If you done this reminder, you can just click over there and click here mark as done. So in this simple way you can add tasks and reminder in your Google Calendar. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.